Struggling to get those perfectly curled lashes that last all day? The right curling mascara can make all the difference. Unlike regular mascaras, curling formulas are designed to lift and curl your lashes for a voluminous, eye-opening look. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 curling mascaras that promise to give you the ultimate lift and definition. Whether you're prepping for a busy day or a special night out, these mascaras will keep your lashes looking fabulous from dawn till dusk. Kicking off our list at number 1, Benefit Roller Lash. The Benefit Roller Lash Mascara is a cult favorite known for its ability to curl and lift lashes effortlessly. Its innovative formula and unique brush design make it a top choice for those seeking long-lasting curl and volume. This mascara is ideal for anyone wanting a dramatic, eye-opening look without the need for an eyelash curler. Key features: Roller Lash features a hook and roll brush that grabs, separates, and lifts each lash. The formula contains a blend of polymers that hold the curl in place while providing intense definition and length. Infused with provitamin B5 and saran, it conditions and strengthens lashes, ensuring they stay healthy and flexible. Benefits and usage: This mascara is perfect for achieving a lifted, voluminous look with minimal effort. The hook and roll brush ensures that every lash is coated and curled, while the conditioning formula keeps lashes healthy. It's suitable for daily use, providing a natural yet defined appearance. Usability: Applying Roller Lash is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly brush that makes it easy to achieve even coverage. The formula is buildable, allowing you to layer for a more dramatic effect without clumping. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Durability: Roller Lash offers impressive staying power, keeping your lashes curled and defined throughout the day. The formula is resistant to smudging and flaking, making it a reliable choice for long wear. Removal is simple, as the mascara comes off easily with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. In the second spot, we have Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara is renowned for its volumizing and curling properties. This mascara combines a unique formula with a specially designed brush to deliver exceptional lift and definition. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a high-performance mascara that provides both curl and volume. Key features: Lights Camera Lashes features a molded brush with bristles that help lift and separate lashes for a fuller, more voluminous look. The formula is enriched with conditioning ingredients like provitamin B5 and peptides, which help strengthen and nourish lashes while providing long-lasting curl and definition. Benefits and usage: This mascara is ideal for achieving a bold, lifted look with enhanced volume. The conditioning formula ensures that lashes remain healthy and flexible, while the brush provides even coverage and separation. It's perfect for creating a dramatic eye look that lasts all day. Usability: Applying Lights Camera Lashes is easy with its well-designed brush that separates and lifts lashes effectively. The formula is buildable, allowing for customizable intensity without clumping. It's suitable for daily use or special occasions when you need your lashes to stand out. Durability: The mascara offers excellent staying power, maintaining curl and volume throughout the day. It's resistant to smudging and flaking, making it a dependable choice for long wear. Removal is straightforward, as the mascara comes off easily with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. Coming in at number 3 is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara is known for its impressive lengthening and curling capabilities. This mascara features a unique brush and formula that work together to deliver extended, lifted lashes with a voluminous finish. It's perfect for those seeking a high-impact look with long-lasting curl. Key features: Lash Sensational Sky High features a flexible brush that reaches every lash from root to tip, ensuring maximum lift and definition. The formula is infused with bamboo extract and fibers to enhance length and volume, while also providing a long-lasting curl that doesn't droop throughout the day. Benefits and usage: This mascara is ideal for achieving sky-high lashes with significant curl and volume. The flexible brush allows for precise application, while the formula enhances length and lift. It's suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions, providing a dramatic yet natural look. Usability: applying Lash Sensational Sky High is easy with its flexible brush that ensures even coverage and separation. The formula is buildable, allowing you to layer for a more dramatic effect without clumping. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Durability: the mascara provides long-lasting curl and definition, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. It's designed to stay put in humid conditions, making it a reliable choice for all-day wear. Removal is simple, as the mascara comes off easily with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. Taking our fourth spot is Too Faced Better Than Sex. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is renowned for its volumizing and curling properties. This mascara combines a unique brush with a rich formula to deliver dramatic curl and intense volume. It's an excellent choice for those looking to make a bold statement with their lashes. Key features: Better Than Sex features a patented brush with hourglass-shaped bristles that coat and lift each lash for maximum volume and curl. The formula is enriched with film-forming polymers and peptides to provide long-lasting curl, while also nourishing and strengthening lashes. Benefits and usage: this mascara is perfect for achieving bold, curled lashes with significant volume. The hourglass-shaped brush ensures even coverage and separation, while the nourishing formula keeps lashes healthy. It's ideal for creating a dramatic look that lasts from morning until night. Usability: applying Better Than Sex is straightforward, thanks to its innovative brush that delivers even coverage and lift. The formula is buildable, allowing for customizable intensity without clumping. It's suitable for daily use or special occasions when you want to make an impact with your lashes. Durability: the mascara offers impressive staying power, maintaining curl and volume throughout the day. It's resistant to smudging and flaking, making it a reliable choice for long wear. Removal is easy, as the mascara comes off effortlessly with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. And finally, at number 5, we have L'Oréal Voluminous Lash Paradise. L'Oréal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara is known for its ability to provide voluptuous volume and curling effects. This mascara combines a plush formula with a full bristle brush to deliver maximum curl and definition. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a dramatic, voluminous look. Key features: Lash Paradise features a soft, fluffy brush that coats each lash with its rich, creamy formula. The formula is infused with rose oil and conditioning agents to enhance curl and volume while keeping lashes soft and flexible. It's designed to provide a full, voluminous look without clumping or flaking. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for achieving lush, curled lashes with significant volume. The plush brush ensures even coverage and separation, while the formula provides long-lasting curl and definition. It's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions, delivering a dramatic, eye-catching look. Usability: applying Lash Paradise is effortless with its full bristle brush that ensures even application and lift. The formula is buildable, allowing you to layer for more dramatic results without clumping. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Durability: the mascara provides long-lasting curl and volume, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. Its formula is designed to stay put in humid conditions, making it a dependable choice for all-day wear. Removal is simple, as the mascara comes off easily with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. Finding the perfect curling mascara can transform your lash game, offering lift, volume, and a flawless finish. Each of these top 5 mascaras delivers exceptional performance, from innovative brushes to conditioning formulas that keep your lashes looking stunning all day. Whether you're seeking dramatic curl or everyday volume, these mascaras provide the ultimate solution for beautiful, long-lasting lashes. Next time you're in the market for a new mascara, consider these top picks to elevate your lash look to new heights.